In Plannr, you can view and manage all of your tasks from My Tasks. Here you'll be able to see all the tasks that are assigned to you. If you're an owner or an admin, you can see all the tasks across the site by clicking the cross next to your name. You can also search for a client name here to filter by tasks only associated with their contact record. Continuing to the right, you have the option to change the task view by switching between ascending and descending tasks, or between list view and grid view. You can also show the archived and completed columns if you wish. Opening up the More Filters tab, you can filter by a variety of things, including task status, name, due date range, and type or location. You can decide if you want to filter by whether or not the task has a due date, and by how soon that due date is. Lastly, you can change the way in which tasks are sorted, and how many tasks appear on the page. Tasks are separated into columns according to their status, and these statuses are completely customizable in settings. You can change a task status by dragging and dropping it from one column into another. From the task card, you can see all the relevant information. At the top, you've got the location of the task, and the colour matches the task status. If the task is a subtask, you'll see the subtask icon at the top. The priority of the task is then indicated by the number of bars in the graph, and next to that you have the title of the task. Continuing down, you can see the task's due date. This is in red if it's overdue, amber if it's due soon, and grey if it's not due anytime soon. Lastly, going across we have the assignee and the number of subtasks. If there are any subtasks, you can hover over this icon to show their names. As you work, you will likely accumulate many tasks, so if you ever need to edit multiple tasks at once, you can do so using bulk actions. Pressing the Select Multiple button allows you to choose which tasks you want to edit by clicking them. The buttons across the top of the board allow you to clear selected if needed, as well as cancelling out of the bulk action altogether. There are also toggles giving you the option to apply the action to subtasks, and to keep the task selected after this first bulk action in case you wanted to action another with the same tasks. Once you're happy with your selection, you can choose to action what you want to undertake from the drop-down. In this example, we'll change a couple of task statuses. When hitting Proceed, as this action requires further information, we're presented with a modal. After selecting the desired status and hitting Save, you're presented with a final check that requires you to type action as this is not reversible. Once confirmed, you can see the Kanban board updates to reflect the changes. A full audit trail of any bulk actions is available in the bulk actions logs at the top. Here you can see what happened, who actioned it, what kind of action it was, and if there were any errors logged.